Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear friends. Have you ever wondered why sometimes you pray but your mind keeps wandering? Today I'm going to share the hidden reasons that most people don't know. 1. Business and distractions of daily life. Your mind keeps diversifying to the past or the future. 2. Lack of inner peace. Without a connection to the Quran or zikr, focus diminishes. 3. Environmental distractions. Noise, lights, or a chaotic place breaks your attention. The solution is take a moment for calm reflection or regular Quran recitation before praying. Remember Allah's purpose in every rakah. Play in a quiet and peaceful environment, please. So, if you follow these small steps, your focus in prayer will return and your soul will feel peace. Start today and Allah will guide and help you inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.